Hi, I'm Russell with Mopart.com. Today I'm here to talk to you about one of our top sellers, Jungle Jim's Jungle Wheel. Now we've got 1.2 million products on Mopart.com, but this one really sells great, and I want to tell you a little bit about it. It has two pneumatic wheels that soften the ride when you're running over rough ground. Also, it's a wider, more stable platform. Plus, they added a universal heavy-duty mounting plate, so it'll mount to virtually any brand commercial mower. Now we keep that unit in stock and it's ready to ship today, but we also carry the full line of Jungle Jim products. Trimmer racks that hold 1, 2, even 3 trimmers, blower racks, water cooler racks, jungle jacks, and all the other accessories that Jungle Jim has to offer. So, click on the link below, come to Mopart.com, we'll ship your Jungle Jim product today.